Staying connected at sea is essential for yacht owners, captains, and crew. Whether for navigation, communication, or entertainment, a reliable marine network ensures high-speed, uninterrupted internet access wherever you sail. Why choose marine internet solutions for yachts? Ultra-fast speeds allow you to stream, work remotely, and stay in touch with ease. Reliable offshore coverage keeps you connected even in remote waters. Seamless integration makes it easy to connect Starlink, 5G, LTE, and broadband. Custom solutions are designed for yachts, superyachts, and commercial vessels. The best marine network routers for yachts include the Starlink Gen 3 router, which provides high-speed satellite internet for vessels up to 50 feet, the Peplink Pepwave Max BR1 router, offering 5G connectivity with multi-SIM redundancy, and the MDS Blender, the ultimate marine network router that combines multiple internet sources for seamless connectivity. When choosing the right router for your vessel, smaller yachts under 50 feet can benefit from Starlink or Peplink routers for fast and stable internet, while larger yachts and superyachts require advanced networking solutions to ensure high-speed connectivity for multiple devices. Upgrading to the MDS Blender supports up to 500 devices, making it perfect for luxury yachts and superyachts. It combines 4 or more internet sources, including Starlink, LTE/5G, VSAT, and broadband. The automatic failover feature ensures uninterrupted connectivity at sea, and high-speed bonding provides up to 1 gigabit per second performance. Get the best yacht internet solution today. Marine Data Solutions specializes in Starlink, Peplink, and custom marine network installations. Keep your yacht connected anywhere in the world. Call +1 954 859 7092 or visit our website to upgrade your vessel's internet today.